Hiro-san.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Where are we going today?
We are going to Newark.
Headed to Newark, New Jersey. Going to be doing a winter's dinner in Boston. Of course, we'll be stopping by Becker Frost, seeing their facilities in Wayne, New Jersey. They have a whole processing plant there. We'll do some tasting over there for some guests, and then getting our winter dinner. You guys, any one of you could have won. You just needed to enter your name in the contest. And we're excited to be part of this, and we're thankful that Becker Frost has invited us to be part of it. Hero's going to be making a whole course for there are about 8 people there, a special dinner.
We're leaving New Jersey at 5 a.m., but we'll be there around 10, 11 a.m., maybe stop for lunch and then head to you. We're gonna prep everything as much as possible from the office, but then but we are gonna end up using like your stove.
So you figure you'll be here about 10, 11 o'clock?
Yeah, give or take. I'll be updating you, especially on that Saturday. I'll update you like our ETA and what our plans are, and yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Well, yeah, we'll be here. We'll be waiting for you. So, do you need me to do anything else?
No, just get your bellies ready.
Yeah.
All right, there's Jennifer, Rick, and of course, Hiro-san. So we're here to pick up a couple more things, and then we're going to be headed over to the house and preparing this meal. All right. Yeah, it's beautiful here. Let me tell you, Marion, Massachusetts. I'm saying that Massachusetts. I can never say that. Massachusetts. Take a look at this community. Is this beautiful or what?
We needed cornstarch, right? Okay, yes.
Okay, so this is a small country store. We're gonna buy pretty much all they have on the shelf for this oil. We can do some tempura and katsu. Oh wow, this bread. Wish you guys could feel it at home. Warm right out of the bakery. All right, so we're here at David and Shannon's house. Beautiful home. This is David. Thanks again for having us.
Exactly.
Congratulations again.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank
And I just want to take you into this beautiful home.
you for letting us host this.
Oh, absolutely. No, it's our pleasure. Jennifer again. So I said this is like a Hallmark home. You see those Hallmark movies? Private bedrooms here. And this is where the magic's gonna happen. This is Hiro-san preparing party of 8. So take a look at this beautiful home. Smells so good in here too. It smells like fall. I know there's a candle somewhere.
So you can have a nice, easy.
Beautiful. And then there's an upstairs part, which you all have to see. This is Shannon. Thank you so much again for having us. And congratulations again.
Thank you.
We hope you enjoy the meal. Okay. And then I'll walk up the steps. Take a look at this. This is like a family room, TV room, if you will. This is not the cutest house you've seen. Absolutely beautiful. Such a beautiful town too. All right, well, we're gonna start preparing. Got 6 more people coming and more. And hopefully you guys will enter the contest for the next drawing. We wanna come to your home, prepare a meal for 8 of you. And that would be our pleasure. Very first time trying bluefin tuna here.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh my god, magical. Tastes like meat.
Right?
We don't mind. So good. Amazing.
This is for pasta time. You can eat more. I can cook more fried rice too. So
Hiro-san, how did it go?
excellent. Perfecto today.
Thank you so much to our hosts, David and Shannon. You guys are amazing, and all the guests came today. Yeah,
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you, Becca Frost.
right.
Thank you, Becca Frost.
Absolutely. It's a pleasure being here.
Lots of new fans.
That's great.
We are in.
Thank you guys. See you soon.
Okay.